Did you know that offal or variety meats are some of the most nutrient-rich foods available? Today, we're diving into why these lesser-known cuts deserve a spot on your plate. Variety meats include organ meats such as liver, heart, and kidneys. These are often cheaper than muscle meat due to their lower popularity. Let's explore why you should consider them. Organ meats like liver are incredibly rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin A, B vitamins, iron, and zinc. They're also packed with protein and antioxidants. In many cultures around the world, organ meats are celebrated as delicacies. In Australia, for instance, lamb offal is highly regarded despite its lesser popularity in America. Consuming variety meats can help reduce food waste, as these parts of the animal are often discarded. It's a sustainable choice for conscientious eaters. Game meats, like venison and rabbit, fall into this category too. They offer unique flavors and nutritional profiles compared to traditional livestock options. Incorporating variety meats can diversify your diet, providing essential nutrients that are often lacking in more common cuts of meat. Consider trying them for their flavor and health benefits. So, there you have it. Variety meats can offer a wealth of nutrients and flavors often overlooked in modern diets. Have you tried any unique cuts recently? Share your experiences below.